high grade. You feel me? Nigga, I'm about to go to Jamaica tomorrow. For real. You already know what I'm about to do. You feel me? I know all my niggas. Got all the high grade shit. I know that. Feel me? The green with the purple stems. Niggas don't know nothing about that. Roll it up, take a puff, now I'm zoned in. The first thing I do is hit it in the morning. Before breakfast, after stretching and the yawning. Throw the bud in the diamond and I'm grinding. Up the finest ganja, I'm a monster. My weed real stinky, got it from a roster. Down in Portmore where I get my prices cheaper. Fuck puffin' on the meds, I got the dankest reefer. Other people see me, ask me why my high's low. I reply with a grin, I'm fucking high, bro. Now get the fuck out my face, I got no time, yo. I need to puff some more, excuse me, let me light my drug. Yo, I can't wait to land. Get some crystal and purple skunk. Niggas don't even know nothing about that. Nigga don't even know. You hold that shit up to the light, that shit look like ice, nigga. Only real niggas in Jamaica know that shit. Ask about the skunk, you feel me? I can't move, my God, I'm high as doves. Smoking bud on the porch, chilling with the thugs. Sour diesel in the rap, got my body trapped. In position, no talking, too stoned for that. 3 hours later, sober time to rolling up. Cause when you got about an ounce, you tend to puff too much. Ask a D-boy, I bet he smoke it by the 8th. 1 blunt, 2 blunts, warm up the vape. Smoke all day, y'all these ain't a lightweight. Legalize it and they'll probably stop the crime rate. Cause when you high, only thing you need is food. And if your day's stressed, one hit will change your mood. Pass me the Dutchie, pass me the Dutchie, pass me the Dutchie, pass me the Dutchie, pass me the Dutchie. So the moral of the story is, pass me the Dutchie, pass me the Dutchie, smoke weed all day, pass me the Dutchie, pass me the Dutchie, and all the crime will go away. Pass me the Dutchie, pass me the Dutchie, don't drink and drive, smoke weed and fly. Haha, I'm a crowd. M.Dwizzy, next to blow, bitch. Holla.